Was he joking when he said that making a deal on healthcare would be an easy one?
I think if you watch the tape, it was a lighthearted moment, Jonathan, and so he was having
He
a little.
doesn't think it's easy to.
No,
get a
he
good
was.
deal on
Yeah,
healthcare.
no. Watch. He was having a fun time with the senators there. Jim.
The other thing that the president said last night was our soldiers are fighting like never before in Iraq. And as you know, Sean, U.S. Troops there are in a support role, an advise and assist role. What does he mean? What does the president mean when he says they're fighting there like never before? Obviously,
I think
doesn't take into consideration what happened during the Bush administration and the Obama administration.
No. I
They're
appreciate
house to house.
Yeah, I think that there's been some progress, particularly in Mosul, the way that they have taken back that city, and I think that for a long time there was a lot of concern about Iran moving in and dominating parts of Iraq, and I think with the advice and consent of U.S. military advisors, there's been tremendous progress in moving Iraq forward to an area of stability and to continuing to see the troops there in Iraq stand on their own. And I think that he is very pleased with the action that General Mattis and our soldiers and sailors, airmen, and Marines are taking to do that. Jeff.
I was going to follow up with, if you couple that comment with the comment on healthcare, it being the easy one to get that done, it sounds like you probably have heard this and come across this notion that he's just detached from reality in making those comments.
Well, first of all, I think that I again would respectfully ask you that you review the tape. He was having a lighthearted moment. It's on tape. Everybody watched it. He was poking fun and making a joke. There's been comments in it before about how he didn't get it, and he was joking about how easy it was. Okay, it was a lighthearted moment. It was on tape. I think everybody, and the idea that there's this, like, trying to make it look like, you know, was being utterly serious at the time is a little bit of a stretch.
And one quick thing on Chairman Nunes.
But just so we're clear, I'm sorry,
Yeah,
just to end
yes,
there,
sir.
that he was very proud of the work that our soldiers and sailors are doing over there in Iraq. There is a lot of work and a lot of progress that is being made, and the updates that he's getting from General Mattis on a daily basis.
And he doesn't think they're in combat, they're engaged in
No,
combat.
but again, I think the progress that's being made in Iraq and the fight against ISIS is going extremely well, and he's proud of it.